How to fix Instagram white screen problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram white screen problem on Android phone. First then just open Chrome and then open Instagram here and click forgot password. Now just type here your username and then click send login link and click this one and next. Now just go to your Gmail and here we'll find the login link. All you need to do just click on it and then click this one, reset your password, and then just reset your password and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.